Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the Slack Workspace QR code so you can log into this workspace using your mobile, and if you are already logged in using your laptop, and this requires that you have already logged into your account on your mobile. So if you didn't log into your account through your mobile, you need to press on get the mobile app. So you need to scan this QR through your mobile and then download the app and then log into your account. After doing that, you will see here an option to log in to your mobile, and it will pop up also a QR code like this one, and then you will be logged into this workspace, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.